Hi, I'm Roger with Roger's Reviews. Today we're going to talk about how to adapt a full-size BoBcat bucket to fit on a mini skid steer. So we got this BoBcat bucket. It was used and we got a really good deal on it in trade. We're trying to figure out if we could use it on our mini skid steer because we don't have a full-size BoBcat. So basically what we did, bought one of these small attachment plates, which usually is for small skid steer. Sometimes people call them a Toro Dingo attachment plate. You can see here, the regular BoBcat fits on the outside. Then we just take one of these, weld it right here, which we've already done. And the nice part about this is, if you ever need to switch back, you just cut this off, and then you can still use it as your BoBcat bucket. These are about $100. We used to build them ourselves, but it's cheaper to go online for under $100 and get your attachment plate. I'll show you how this works. As you can see here, this little mini skid steer can handle this bucket no problem. I was kind of worried about the weight, but actually the way these buckets are made is thick metal here, thick metal on the top, and then you've got your plate on front. Everything else is real thin metal. So this bucket really doesn't weigh too much. I would say it's under 400 or 500 pounds, maybe 300 to 400 pounds. A lot of our attachments are way over that, so you can actually use this bucket. You can't really fill it all the way up with dirt or gravel, but as far as mulch and stuff like that, just use it as grading. It works perfect. So basically you have a full-size BoBcat